Hi guys, my name is Manas Adhikari. I am 9 years old. So today we're going to find the derivative of y equals to tan t over 1 plus secant t. So first of all, on both sides we differentiate with respect to t. So we have d y d t that is equal to d t. We have parentheses tan t over 1 plus secant t. And parentheses closed. So for d dt of tan t over 1 plus secant t, we're going to use the quotient rule. And the quotient rule says d t. And this is u over v. That is equal to v times d u d t minus u times d v d t and whole over v squared. So now this will be equal to, we know v is parentheses 1 plus secant t, parentheses closed, and that times d t. And then parentheses, we know that u is tan t, parentheses closed, minus we know u again is tan t, and then times d t, and we know again v is 1 plus secant t, parentheses closed, and then that whole over, we know again v is 1 plus secant t, parentheses closed to about 2. So now this would be equal to, we have 1 plus secant t, and then parentheses, and times, we have d dt of tan t. We know d dt of tan t is secant squared t, parentheses closed, and then minus, we have tan t, and then times parentheses. We know d dt of 1 is 0, and then we leave that, so we know d dt of secant t is tan t times secant t, parentheses closed, and this whole over is parentheses 1 plus secant t, parentheses closed to about 2. So now this would be equal to, now we distribute this, so we have secant squared t plus secant cubed t, and then we have minus, we're going to tan squared t times secant t, and this whole over, and this is 1 plus secant t, parentheses close to about 2. So now it will be equal to secant squared t plus secant cube t minus, we know tan squared t is parentheses secant squared t minus 1, and parentheses closed, times secant t, this whole over, parentheses 1 plus secant t, parentheses closed to about 2. So now I'm going to erase and this. So now this would be equal to, we have secant squared t, and then plus secant cube t, and now we distribute that, so we have negative secant cube t, and then plus secant t, and this whole over, parentheses 1 plus secant t, parentheses close to about 2. So now this will be equal to, we can cross this and this. So we have secant squared t plus secant t, and over parentheses 1 plus secant t, and that's about 2. So now this will be equal to, we can factor our secant t. So we have secant t, and then parentheses 1 plus secant t, secant t, and parentheses close. And this, however, we know this is the same as 1 plus secant t times 1 plus secant t. Parentheses close, so now I can cross this. So now that will be equal to secant t over 1 plus secant t. So now this is the final answer. Thank you guys for watching my video today.